how to know or how to see your blocked calls on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your blocked calls on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo and here click on your profile icon and you're gonna find settings, click there. Now you have privacy and you're gonna find a lot of options. Between them there is blocked calls, click on it and here you're gonna find a list of all your blocked calls. Like you see, I have no record yet. I have never blocked a call on this account, and if you have blocked the account before, you're gonna find it here from the newest to the old one. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful.